welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to quickly DIY some of my very old clothes or the clothes that I don't use or I've super used them and gotten bored of them. So I thought why not turn them into something else and use it as something else. So that's the plan. I don't know how it's going to go. Let's see it together and I hope you enjoy the video. So this video does not include any kind of sewing, no machine, nothing. All we need is one chalk, fabric glue. We're not going to use the fabric glue for all of them, just maybe one or two, I'm not sure. A ruler and a pair of scissors. I don't think I'm going to use these two either. So all we need is just these two things and we're good to go. So the first outfit that I want to convert is this one. It's a very pretty dress, but I really don't want to use it anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it, the upper portion into a crop top and the low portion I'll keep it as it is. Basically we're going to make like a quad set, but I really don't know how it will turn out. So let's find out. So here it is. I am absolutely in love with how this turned out. I'm not even kidding. I don't know about you, but I really loved this. I don't know, I didn't think it's gonna look this good. So basically, obviously it did not have any stitch lines, so I've just tucked it in here. And even this one I've given like a very little fold inside so it doesn't look very not done. So yeah, this is how it looks. Coming to the second one, I have this top here. I have used it a lot and I'm really bored of it. So I thought, what can I do with this? If you see, it's very loose. So I think, I'm not sure, I can cut it from here and wear it as a skirt. I'm really not sure, but yeah, that's the plan. Let's see if it's loose. In case it's loose, I can put a belt, but I don't know. I don't know if it's tight or what to do, but let's see how it goes. So as we expected, this exactly turned out like that. It was super loose for me. So I've put this belt here. I'm not extremely happy, but yeah, it's nice. Like yeah, it can be worn. Also I like the lace and the color and everything. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing I got up here is this skirt. I really do not like it. I don't know what I was thinking while buying it. I don't like the length, I don't like the color, I don't like the pattern, I don't like anything. Okay, so I haven't used it like that much, but yeah, I've worn it a few times. So yeah, it's time to like do something with it. So I want to make a top out of it. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it from the middle and then cut stripes from here. Attach it from. Okay, I'm not able to explain. Okay, let me try again. So basically, I want to make a top out of it. So I'm gonna crop it up to here. So the remaining portion, I'm gonna remove like those strips, 4 of them. So I can tie it over here. I think you got it right. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So let's get started.
One hour later.
Skirt just turned out to be such a cute top. I forgot to mention what you can do is the glue, we've applied a glue so it can easily come out. So what you can do is take a hot iron and press it for a while and let it dry for as much time as possible. I had to immediately wear it, so I have not done that process because you can see all the wrinkles here. It'll look much better. Also get rid of all the threads that will be there that doesn't look flattering. So yeah, you get rid of that and do that, and then keep it for a while, and then you can wear it, and it looks so cute. I really love it. Okay, so the next thing I have up here is this top I got from Delhi, again from some market. I don't remember, hardly for 200 to 300 rupees, and I've used it way enough. So now what I'm planning to do is, it already has these buttons over here. I'm planning to just cut it, like make a cut here and use it as a jacket. Well, let's see how that looks. It's done and it's not looking bad. Actually, I can see myself using this a lot. It's really nice. I love shrugs, and especially printed ones. They look really nice. And yeah, this one is a good one. So the last thing I have here is this off-shoulder top. I don't think I've ever used it. It's super loose for me. So yeah, and also yeah, I just don't like it that much. Also, just plain orange. I don't know. Again, what was I thinking when I bought it? So yeah, this I'm gonna try to wear it as a skirt. There's no cutting, nothing we're gonna do here. I'm just gonna simply try to wear it as a skirt, and I'll show you how this. I've just simply worn the top as my bottom, and now I'm gonna just tie the sleeves like this. It's as simple as it looks. And here another knot, and we are done. This is the simplest I know, but I was actually planning to throw this top because it wasn't in use, and I thought, how else can I wear it? And I came up with this, so I thought I'll put it up in this video. So that is it for today's video. I just hope you liked all the looks that I showed and found them a bit helpful. Also, I have few more garments to go, and I'll be putting up a part 2 very soon. Please do not forget to watch that out too. Also for this one, if you like the video, please hit the like button below and do not forget to subscribe. It means a lot to me, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.